Hello children, I am Vaishali madam. In English, lesson number 2, that is the scientists and inventions. We started with this in the online class. Then this we have discussed. I will send you the answer. This also we have discussed the question and answers. This activity also we have discussed, and this you were supposed to write. Now we will move further to part 2, famous discoveries and inventions. Now coming to page number 13. Part 2, famous discoveries and inventions. Here is a story given about a great Greek scientist, Archimedes. Okay, I'm going to explain it to you. He was a great Greek scientist. He lived in Syracuse nearly around 2000 years ago, and the king of that land wanted to wear a golden crown. Okay, so to make a golden crown, he had to give it to a goldsmith, and so the king gave some gold to the goldsmith to make a crown. Now when the crown was ready and the goldsmith returned it, the king waited it, and the crown waited the same as that of the gold given, but then he still suspected that the goldsmith has stolen the gold. So then the king asked the scientist of his court, who was that? He was Archimedes, to find out what is the matter. Then Archimedes was not able to come to any solution. He tried his best, and he was thinking and thinking what to do, how to find out. Now one day when he was about to take a bath, he did not notice that the bathtub is already filled till the brim. Brim is till the top of the bathtub, and then he sat into the bathtub, and then the water came out of the bathtub. Have you all noticed this? If you put something in a jar, in a jug which is already filled with water, you put whatever thing in it, water will come out of it. And then he was overjoyed and came out of the bathtub shouting, "Eureka! Eureka! I have found it." What is that? I have found it. He got the reason, he got the way to find out how and whether the goldsmith has stolen the gold or not. Right? So whatever the volume of the thing displaced will be equal to the gold, right? So thus he found out that different metals of the same weight have different volumes. Objects put in water will displace water, and the displaced water will be equal to the volume. So this way he found out the solution. So this is how scientists work. Day and night they keep on thinking of the same problem, and then ultimately they come to some valid solution. Now coming to the next page. Now children, coming to page number 14, activity 4. Here they have given some lines where you are supposed to write 7 sentences about the story on the previous page. Okay, about Archimedes and the findings, that is Eureka. Okay, so make proper sentences. Then coming to the next activity number 5, your curiosity check. So now it is checking on your curiosity, how curious you are, how eager you are to know things. Okay, so you may refer people, you may refer books, websites, and then answer the questions like how was pencil made, how are newspaper printed. Then the next page, page number 15, why do we have antacid tablets or Eno or soda? You must have seen it at your home, right? Elderly people taking Eno and soda. Why do they take that? Okay, so think, refer, and answer. Then next activity is based on your interesting topic, that is cartoons. Here they have talked about the cartoons that give us some information. Okay, now look at the picture. The first cartoon is tells about the gravity. Somebody is sitting under the tree and the apple falls. Do you know the story of Isaac Newton? Okay, so try to find it out. I will also tell you the right answer. Okay, don't worry. But then you have to find it out, what the picture depicts. Then come to the next page. Next page again, it has a cartoon, right, where a man holds an oxygen mask, where in the oxygen mask there is a tree. So just imagine what it should be, and the hint is given, the clue is given, that air to breathe. So we all know about the fading glory of earth that we have learned in the previous lesson. So I think the picture is talking about it, right? If the trees will not be there, what will be there to breathe, right? And how we will survive, okay, something like that. Then coming to the next activity, activity number 7. Now coming to activity number 7, my hero scientist. So now we have been introduced to many scientists through this lesson, right? You can also search for new scientists on the net, and then you have to decide about your favorite scientist. Write the name, lifespan. What is lifespan? The date of birth and the date of death, if they are no more. Then place or origin, where they were born, where they were brought up, and then their inventions and contribution, what they have contributed, what they have shared, their knowledge about, their inventions about. Okay, then coming to the next page, page number 17, paste the picture of the scientist. You have to paste a picture of that scientist who is your favorite, your hero scientist. Okay, now then coming to the next activity, activity number 8, describe the following picture in pair and share your views with your friends and your teacher. So there's a picture where a teacher is teaching, and you have to look into the picture, and you may write it in your own words, right? Then coming to the next page, activity number 9, fill in the gaps. There's a simple paragraph with simple answers. Just read it. It is basically based on your knowledge of English. Ravi dash a boy, he lived dash his mother. So just think and write the answers with pencil. Okay, then coming to the next activity, what would you like to become in life? So in this lesson we have talked about scientists, right? So think, as you grow up, what do you want to become? Whether you want to become a scientist, you want to become a teacher, you want to become an engineer, you want to become a lawyer, a policeman, a doctor. Okay, just think about it, and then you will need to work on it, right? And then write a paragraph on it, right, children? So as of now we are done with the lessons. Soon you'll be receiving the new words and question and answers related to the lesson. Whatever I have asked you, you are going to write in the textbook only, where we started on page number 9, the activity where you are going to write about the 3 scientists where the picture is shown, that I'm going to share with you. Else rest everything you will be writing, right? And then what do scientists do, that also I'm going to send you, right? Okay children, listen to the audio and video properly. Okay, listen it twice, and then read the lesson also.